Hello everyone, welcome to a new series of Tableau, and today our second lesson, and we will make some simple visualization with you. Yes, okay, let's start. Switch to sheet 1. As you can see in the left part of the screen, we have some tables, orders, people, and after orders, there is another orders. Actually, for the second one, there are some calculated fields, but in the first one, there are some parameters actually, which contain some informations, not calculated things, actually, we can say, inside of it. We can take content region, put sales to rows part, and we can see the sum of sales according to countries, but for making better view, we have to replace them with each other while clicking just this button. And data is visible now for us, but as we can see, it's not sorted yet. For that, we have to left click for country region, and there's sort option. As you can see, there is sort by data source order. It's default settings. For the second one, it's alphabetic order. Most probably it will not change because it was sorted in an alphabetic way default. For our purposes, we have to choose for the third option, field, and ascending or descending. Let's make it descending. Field name is sales and aggregation is sum. You can change aggregation type, and let's keep it sum for our purpose. There's also manual option. You can put in your desired way, we can say. Descending orders. Yes. Also adding some another parameters to visualization. We can just drag and drop to row parts or column parts. I would like to split the countries into segments, then for each segment to get information about sum of sales. For that, we have to put segment after country, but you can make it vice versa. You will see different view, but the same results. The numbers will be the same. Let's keep how it was before. Then we can easily see for the France, for segment consumer, sum of sales is more than 400K. For corporate is also different value. Consumer for Germany, for United Kingdom. But also we can take segment, drag and drop into color options, and it colors the data sum of sales for segments. For home office, it's red. For corporate, it's orange. For consumer, it's blue. You can easily change the colors, but for me, there's no need for that. You can decrease opacity for this color. Oh, let's make it orange. Okay. As we can see from the below part of the screen, we can see some numbers, 100K, 200K, 300K, which represent the sum of sales. But for getting exact numbers for each one, it's very difficult from the view. Yes, we can drag and drop the mouse on it, but we can easily see the sales, which is more than 140K. But I would like to make it visible for each one also. For that, we have to drag and drop sales to label parts, and we will see exact numbers for each countries and for each segments. In the below part of screen, for some countries, Belgium, Sweden, Switzerland, Finland, Norway, they are not visible because of the width of the line is not enough to represent the values. But also in the upper part of the screen, as you can see, the numbers contains more digits. For making more better understandable, we can also format them while the two left click for sum of sales, format them numbers. Let's choose currency custom, decimal place. We don't need it. Negative values should be put minus sign before that. Display the units. We have to put thousands for K. It's better than previous one. And this is enough, I think, for our sheet one. We can change it. I change the name of it for example, sales by countries. As you can see, automatically it was changed in that part. Also, you can double click, change its font size, make it bold, italic, underlined, or center, right, or anything. Just apply and okay. For our sheet 2, I would like to explain what's calculated field. Actually, calculated field is very similar to, for example, discount, profit, quantity, sales there. But we are creating calculated field while using them to create another calculation. Let's calculate net profit. Automatically discount, it was written there because we created calculated field on discount. You can just delete the discount option there. For calculating net profit, I would like to subtract discount from profit minus discount. Calculation is valid. Okay. Yeah, put there also. You can take also countries, make it vice versa. Replace them. As you can see, there is a 0, and the right part of it, it means for those countries, it's plus profit, net profit, which they are left from the 0. For that, there's negative profit. Okay, for that also we can segment, put segments to label. It's not good view. Okay, subcategories, provide your region. You can put region there. Or changing region already there, sorry, country region, category, for example. Change like that. Okay. For the category furniture, the Australia got approximately 6K net profit. For Belgium, it's approximately 2K. And we can also label, put some profit label to see exact values and format them for better view. Yes, it's better than previous one. Actually, it's all about for our second class. I would like to continue with parameters for the next class. Thanks. See you.